everybody, and welcome to America. Got a question I want to ask for all the Mack truck R model type expert folks out there. Standing in front of the deputy dog, this R model I've been working on, and I want to know, is my cab worth saving? So I'll take you around and show you. You can see right here, she's rusted out under the doors a little bit. One spot that really kind of concerns me is up here above the windshield. I don't know if you can see that there. Let me spin the camera around. So up here above the window, you can see, or above the windshield rather, right here, it's rusted out pretty bad. I don't know if that's salvageable, savable. And the other bad spot is under the doors here. I know you can buy these rocker panels and stuff for this. So I'm not as much concerned about that. The rest of it underneath, it's a little rusty along the back, but I don't know, is that repairable? Is that worth saving? I'd rather keep the cab that's on here because that's the original one. Goes with the whole deputy dog theme and all. But this is what I'm really concerned about. I can get it to focus. So up here, this is above the windshield. You can see where that's rusted out there. So maybe you can tell me, is that worth saving? I'd rather keep the cab, but maybe it's not that big of a deal to switch a cab if I could find one. I don't know. Let me know. Post the comments below or tell me what you think. Until next time, stay American.